my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. So depending on which part of the country you're from, Diwali or Deepavali is round the corner. So I thought I'll try a sweet dish on this channel. Today we are trying Mathura Peda. The instructions for this dish seems to be very simple and the ingredients required are also very few. So I thought I'll try this dish. For the detailed ingredients list, just check the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the peda. I've got koya, which you can buy in the shops. I've got 200 grams of koya in here. I've got powdered sugar, cardamom powder, ghee, and for flavor you can use kevra water or rose water. Either of this can be used to flavor it. That's all for the ingredients. So let's start making the peda. So the first step is to keep a kadai on medium flame, medium to low flame you can keep it on. Pour some ghee into it. So the ghee is nice and hot. At this stage we'll add the koya, kova or mawa, whatever you call it in your part of the country. So I'm going to add that into this. Make sure it's at room temperature. So now we will stir the koa in this ghee continuously for 12 to 15 minutes until it starts to brown slightly. Make sure the flame is medium to low. It will be easier if you're using a non-stick tawa or a non-stick kadai. Otherwise, this will stick to the bottom of the pan. So make sure you're stirring it continuously. So I've browned this for 15 minutes. I've switched off the gas. Now we'll let this cool for some time. We need to cool this to a temperature where you can hold it and shape it. Don't cool it completely, because if it cools completely then it will become dry and you will not be able to make it into shapes. So let's cool this out for some time. So the mixture is cooled down and I can hold it with my hands now. At this stage, we'll add some cardamom powder, sugar. I'm using powdered sugar, and start mixing it. So I've added the sugar to this. Now we'll add a few drops of kevra water or rose water. I'm using kevra water. Just a few drops. Because this has a strong smell. Now mix everything together. You have to mix it well until it forms a dough. Kneaded it into a dough like this. Let's take lemon sized balls from this and shape it into a peda. Now this is the shape of a peda. Let's do the same with the rest of the dough. Shape the pedas and kept here. Now to make a design on this, I'm going to use a toothpick and just make impressions like this. Just to make it look better. I think my pedas are looking pretty big. You can make it smaller if you want. Keep a pista in the center, just to make it look better. This is totally optional. Now that the pedas are done, we'll let this rest for 1 to 2 hours for it to harden. So the peda is ready. This was very simple to make. So I hope you will try this at home this time for Diwali. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. Until I see you next time, bye bye.